Have you ever wondered what the future holds for you or how to navigate life's challenges with a bit more insight? Well, today we're diving into the fascinating world of tarot card reading. Tarot card reading is a powerful tool for gaining insight into your past, present, and future. It's a mystical practice that has been used for centuries to provide guidance, clarity, and sometimes even a little magic. The tarot deck consists of 78 cards, each with its own symbolism and story. These cards are divided into two main categories, the major arcana and the minor arcana. The major arcana includes 22 cards that represent significant life events and lessons like the Fool, the Magician, and the World. The minor arcana consists of 56 cards that reflect daily life and are divided into 4 suits: Wands, Cups, Swords, and Pentacles. Each suit represents a different aspect of life. Wands are about action and ambition, Cups about emotions and relationships, Swords about intellect and conflict, and Pentacles about material aspects and career. Do you have a tarot deck at home? If so, grab it now and follow along. If not, no worries. Just imagine the cards as I explain them. Drop a comment below if you're already a tarot reader, or if this is your first time learning about it. One of the most popular tarot spreads is the 3-card spread, which provides a simple yet insightful look at your past, present, and future. Shuffle your deck while focusing on a specific question or area of your life. Draw 3 cards and lay them out in a row. The first card represents your past, shedding light on how your past experiences shape your current situation. The second card is your present, offering insight into what is happening right now and what you need to focus on. The third card is your future, providing a glimpse into what lies ahead and potential outcomes. Tarot is not just about predicting the future, it's a tool for self-reflection and empowerment. When interpreting the cards, trust your intuition and consider how the card's imagery and meaning apply to your life. For example, if you draw the Fool card, it might suggest a new beginning or taking a leap of faith. The Lover's card could indicate a significant relationship or a crucial decision you need to make. Think of a question you have about your life right now. I'll do a quick 3-card reading for you. Ready? Imagine I'm shuffling the cards. And here they are: the High Priestess, the Wheel of Fortune, and the Sun. The High Priestess represents your past, indicating that you've been on a journey of self-discovery and intuition. The Wheel of Fortune in your present suggests a major change or turning point is happening right now, and the Sun in your future promises success, joy, and positive outcomes. How do these cards resonate with you? Tarot reading is a journey of exploration and discovery. The more you practice, the more confident you'll become in your interpretations. Remember, there are no right or wrong answers in tarot. It's about what feels right to you and how the cards' messages resonate with your life. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Vital Wellness Guide for more insightful content. Don't forget to hit the notification bell so you never miss an update. Have any questions or want to share your own tarot experiences? Drop a comment below. See you in the next video.